Hello, my name is Sweenus, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can create custom settings like the settings in the project settings or editor preference settings. These will also get saved to config files, and as always a link to the GitHub repo can be found in the description. It's very easy to do. First, all we need to do is create a class extending new developer settings, and then quite literally just add in a bunch of properties with the config tag. Unreal will automatically create any appropriate UIs. However, it is important to note that it's mostly just for simple types and structs. However, one thing you'll need to add in the uClass macro is the config value. This sets which ini file the values get saved to, as well as where it shows up in the editor, as in either the editor preferences or project settings. And then in your properties, you need to have the config value. Then below, I have some static getters. These allow for us to get a constant or a mutable version of the settings, and then a setter as well. Next, we have the category name. This is the category on the left-hand side where it'll appear. So we have like plugins and then general or interface, for example. And then we have the section text and section description. The section text is the title that will appear or the display name and actually overrides the display name in the uClass macro. And the section description appears underneath that, which also overrides the comment above the uClass macro, meaning that if you use the comment, that comment will actually appear as the description itself. And so here are how the getters and setters look. Pretty straightforward. And then to specify something to be put into the editor preferences, so if it was custom UI colors, for example, all you have to do is change the uClass config value to editor per project user settings. And that's pretty much it. If you found the tutorial useful, please give it a thumbs up. And if you have any feedback or suggestions, be sure to let me know in the comments. And thank you for watching.